Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over our wheel spacer kit that fits a variety of Jeep vehicles, including the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler and 2005 to 2010 Jeep Cherokee. Now these wheel spacers are a 5 by 127 millimeter bolt pattern with a 71.5 center bore. And they're 1/2 inch by 20 studs. The wheel spacer itself is 1.5 inches thick, and they are hub centric, meaning that they attach directly to the hub on your Jeep and directly to the recessed hub area on the wheel. Now these are designed to work with factory wheels as well as aftermarket wheels that are meant to work on your Jeep. You can see down here, this kit includes 4 wheel spacers, and it also includes 20 lug nuts. So the way these work is you'll remove the factory wheel from your Jeep or whatever wheel's on there. These will actually bolt directly onto the wheel hub, and you'll secure them with the factory lug nuts, and then you'll remove the lug nuts from the wheel spacer, and you will use these lug nuts to attach the wheel to the spacer. One thing when you're installing these spacers, you want to make sure on the inside of the hub here, you put some anti-seize paste here and some anti-seize paste here. And this will allow the spacer in the future to be easily removed. These spacers are made from CNC billet aluminum with hardened studs. And these spacers will allow you to put wider tires or rims on your Jeep. It'll also allow you to space out your factory wheels and tires to give it a more aggressive appearance. So there's a variety of reasons you'll want to install these on your Jeep vehicles. If you guys have any specific questions about the wheel spacer kit, feel free to send us a message, and we'll be glad to answer them.